Hold it like that.
Okay. I'll take a picture of me and Tom.
What are you doing?
There we go. There we go.
Come on.
I'm recording this. My picture.
Okay, make sure to zoom in.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, don't forget to stop him.
My cars. Take my car's there. Take that.
That big one. What are you doing? Come
There
on.
we go. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
We're back again, part 2. Doing Christmas gifts.
Come back. Let's go back a little bit.
Sit down. We got another big one here from Coco and Tiny.
Oh,
You getting on video?
I've got it.
I need some more light over here. Let me show that light.
I got plenty. That's good. Does it look like that? Good, real good. Shows real good there. Yeah.
I can't see the name.
Well, I can see it. Looks real good. Nope, Joe, I can see it. Put it down on your face, honey. There you go. Open it up.
I don't know what this is.
Well, I don't know until you open it up. Now be careful.
That was tearing my gifts. You record this. Tie my clothes. Probably the shirt, but.
Could be.
You recording that? You should get me in the shot.
Mm-hmm.
This is for YouTube. You know what? Where? About your desk. Let's get more shirts. Hey.
Could be jeans.
Could be. That's fantastic. Up. Shirt's another shirt.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's an awesome one. He got me an awesome one. A Grim Reaper on it.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
Get that paper, Joe.
It's right there. He can't get it.
Yeah, you will.
I can't. Where's my shirt?
Back. What'd you say? Oh my.
Dress shirt.
Yeah, see, no, I didn't want you to have it. I was gonna get that. I changed my mind. I still get the same thing.
I'm gonna do it because we have 2 shirts. You get it on the camera?
Get back a little bit.
Another dress shirt.
Whoa.
Got it.
I certainly did. Look and smile. Put it down your face. Look at Joe. Let me cut back a little bit. Oh, good deal. Got it. Okay.
Come on, going. Ain't done yet.
Oh.
Not done yet. Open more presents out.
Well, I got to sit down.
Oh, cool. Dogs.
I got to sit down.
Now sit down and record me. No, we ain't done yet.
Well, I can't do this. I got to sit down. Here, Buster, take it to my booty boo down by Buster. Oh, hi, Buster. Hello, darling.
Come on.
Hey, Merry Christmas, Buster. Merry Christmas, booty boosh. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. That's so good. Okay. Now, get the other ones, Joe. Get over that way. I can get you here. I can get you there. That's good right there. No, hold. Okay.
You got it?
I think so.
Did you get it?
Yeah, scoot back a little bit. Whoa. Okay, I got it.
It looks like my clothes.
I imagine so.
Got my gift card there. That's nice. My arm. My face. Green paper. Look at socks. I'm some underwear. Look at that. Something in here.
It certainly is.
That's fine, yeah.
It certainly is, boo-boo.
Yeah, let's see what it is. Yeah, crap on it. I know you're getting paper. You recording me or not?
Yes, Joe, I'm still recording. Hurry up. I'm getting tired.
Skull Candy earbuds. Skull Candy earbuds.
You like them?
Yeah.
I got the last pair.
That's right, yeah. Excellent, work just fine.
I thought you'd like them.
You didn't on film?
I'm getting it.
Okay.
Okay, hurry. Hurry.
Hurry.
Because I'm getting tired.
Wait till the presents off.
Oh, hurry. I'm getting tired.
What's this? Is that a dress shirt?
Yep. However you want. You wear them for every day, whatever you want to wear them for.
Yeah. You get on the camera?
Let's go down a little bit. There you got it.
Get on camera.
There you got
Get
it.
on camera.
Look at Mama. Smile. There you go.
Get on camera.
I'm tired.
You're on camera.
I certainly got
I
it.
have more presents. All right.
Hurry, Joe. I'm getting tired.
Hey, man, what? I have more presents here.
Oh,
I started this stocking.
hurry.
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, this is from you.
I know from Mama. That's to you from Mama.
I gotta be sure to get in the camera shot. Make sure.
I got it, son. I'm tired.
I'm sorry. Your whole. What you gotta do? Make the recording thing.
That's enough.
That's what it is. Give me a present, boy. What is it?
Hurry.
I'm trying to hurry up. One more present. What is that? Found something. Eh. The dog eating now. What is this?
Oh, yeah, you like that one. Be careful. Be very careful.
No. Yeah. Space Invader. Oh, it's a handheld game?
You got it.
Where do you find this at?
That woods.
Oh, nice.
Like that one?
Yep. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look here. Look, Mama. No, we haven't got you yet, Joe. Wait a minute. Oh, that way a bit more. Whoa.
Got it?
That smile. Look at your Mama. Hold it. Got it. I'll do something. Please let me quit for a little while.
Not done yet here.
Here, hold it. I got quit.
Oh, they had another rest break. Another rest break.
can't-
Yeah, do
Oh,
another rest break.
I got rest.
Do another rest break.
I'm getting dizzy.
Do another rest break.
Yeah, wait. I'm getting dizzy.